I made $100 with AI in 24 hours. Here is exactly how you can do it too. Method 1. AI writing services. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. Offer AI-assisted writing, blog posts, product descriptions, email sequences. Use ChatGPT to write it, edit it, make it better. Charge $50 to $100 per project. 2 clients equals $100 in 1 day. Method 2. AI graphic design. Use Canva with AI features or MidJourney. Create logos, social media graphics, thumbnails, business cards. List services on Fiverr. $25 per design. 4 designs equals $100. People are desperate for good design. You do not need to be a designer. Method 3. AI video editing. Use CapCut or Descript to edit videos. For content creators, add captions, cut out filler, add music. Charge $50 per video. 2 videos equals $100. Every creator needs an editor. AI makes you 10 times faster. The secret: AI makes you 10 times faster. What took 10 hours now takes 1 hour. You can underprice everyone else and still make more money per hour than any job. Follow for more AI money methods. Your first 100 starts today.